This has been a weird day and now a weird night. It's thundering and lightning. These clouds are still moving strangely as they have been all day. The rain isn't really rain, it's just a mist like piss, and it just comes sporadically. I'm not quite sure if this is different, but it feels that way to me. Maybe I'm different. Maybe I feel different. You can feel it. It's electric. I know you can. Thinking of a master plan. Ain't nothing but power inside my hand. No need to plug to a socket. All you gotta do is tap. This internal power no longer is trapped. It's external sources that's coming in play, manifesting molecules in a whole nother way. It's a beast that's been unleashed, but we keep them at bay because we know God is coming soon. So y'all better just pray, and that's where I'm gonna stop this at till another day.